Welcome to this tutorial for KidneyDiet. KidneyDiet is an app that helps people with kidney disease make better dietary choices. If you have chronic kidney disease, becoming aware of the 3 Ps, that's phosphorus, potassium, and protein, as well as sodium and fluids in your diet, is of utmost importance. This short video explains how to view nutrients per food, edit amount or serving size, and understand warnings regarding nutrients that may be in excess of what is recommended for you. In this first example, I've searched for peanut butter by typing in the search field. I've scrolled down and selected salted peanut butter. Then I've decided to change the serving size by using the drop-down menu for Select Serving Size. To get more information about this food, I select See All Nutrients on the bottom left corner. When I determine that this amount of peanut butter seems like a safe choice because none of the nutrient volumes are too high, I add it to my daily diary. You will always see a check mark appear when the item has been added to the diary. For this second example, I start to type in the search field when I notice that one of my recent searches was for banana. Since that's the item I'd like to add, I select it in the recent searches. I can see in the bottom panel that one banana, that is medium in size, has approximately 422 milligrams of potassium. A red dot appears next to potassium to denote that this serving size of this food has more potassium in it than is recommended for my diet. Now, if I look at the full nutrient panel, I notice that it is only potassium that is in excess. The rest of the nutrients don't look too high. So deciding to eat half a banana may be a better option. After resetting the amount to half, I add the banana to my diary. Thanks for taking time to learn more about KidneyDiet.